Alright, so you're ready to hit the dirt and gravel roads on your motorcycle. Awesome. Riding on unpaved roads can be super thrilling, but also a bit challenging for beginners. Let's dive into some essential tips to get you started confidently and safely. First things first, let's talk about your riding position. When you're on dirt or gravel, you want to be more dynamic on the bike. Stand up on the pegs or bend your knees slightly and keep your elbows up and out. This stance helps you control the bike better and absorb any bumps or uneven terrain. Next, let's tackle throttle control. Smooth and steady is the name of the game here. Jerky throttle movements can easily lead to losing traction, so ease into the gas and avoid sudden twists of the throttle. Think of it as a dance with your bike, where smooth is always better. Braking on dirt and gravel is another skill you'll need to master. Use both the front and rear brakes, but remember, the rear brake is your best friend here. It gives you more control without the risk of locking up the front wheel. Practice using your rear brake gently until you get a feel for it. Now, let's talk about turning. On loose surfaces, you want to keep your weight on the outside peg while leaning the bike into the turn. This technique, called counterbalancing, gives you better control and stability. It might feel awkward at first, but with practice, it'll become second nature. One of the most important things to remember when riding on dirt and gravel is to keep your eyes up. Look where you want to go and not directly in front of your tire. This helps you anticipate obstacles and plan your moves better. Your bike will follow your gaze, so keep those eyes up and forward. Lastly, remember to stay relaxed. Tension in your body can lead to mistakes and fatigue. Loosen up your grip on the handlebars and take deep breaths if you start feeling anxious. A relaxed rider is a better rider. Before you head out, make sure your motorcycle is in good condition. Check your tire pressure, suspension settings, and make sure everything is tightened up. Proper maintenance can make a huge difference in how your bike handles off-road. And there you have it. These basics will help you get started on dirt and gravel roads. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time and gradually build your skills. Have fun out there and ride safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more motorcycle tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.